EVs aren't just cleaner cars, they're part of a smarter, greener energy system. Charging with renewables is the dream. Solar panels on your roof can power your car with sunlight, making your driving nearly zero emission. Even without home solar, many utilities offer 100% renewable energy plans, so every charge supports clean power. But it goes deeper. Most people charge overnight when demand is low and the grid has excess capacity. This helps balance the grid and makes it more efficient. As more EVs hit the road, this effect grows, creating a more resilient energy system. Enter vehicle-to-grid, V2G technology. EVs can someday send power back to the grid, acting as distributed batteries. Imagine thousands of parked EVs helping prevent blackouts during peak demand. Owners could even get paid for it. This tech is in its early days, but the potential is huge. Pair V2G with renewables, and EVs become crucial storage for solar and wind. Charging when the sun shines, discharging when it's dark. EVs aren't just vehicles, they're part of a flexible, clean energy ecosystem. They help balance the grid, store renewable energy, and accelerate the shift away from fossil fuels. The synergy is powerful. More renewables make EVs cleaner, and more EVs make renewables more practical. Each transition supports the other, creating a feedback loop for sustainability. The future isn't just about cleaner cars, it's about smarter energy for everyone. EVs are key players in building a sustainable grid. The shift to electric vehicles and renewables is a win-win. It's not just about driving, it's about powering a cleaner world. The more we electrify, the more we all benefit. EVs are the bridge between clean transportation and clean energy. That's the ultimate synergy. Put it all together: lower emissions, cleaner air, incredible efficiency, and synergy with renewables, and the case for EVs is clear. The transition isn't just about new cars, it's a cornerstone of fighting climate change and building a healthier planet. Challenges remain: battery recycling, ethical sourcing, but the trajectory is positive. As the grid gets greener, so do EVs. An EV bought today gets cleaner every year. Gas cars, their impact is fixed from day one. We're moving from static, polluting tech to dynamic, improving solutions. There's more to explore: battery chemistry, rare earths, and more. But the direction is set. The conversation will keep evolving as tech and data improve. What do you think? Want to dive deeper into any aspect of EVs and the environment? Let us know in the comments.